So today we were taking our Tesla through the car wash with Fiona on our laps, and right as it started to pull us in, she stepped on the window controls and rolled 3 of the windows down. Maybe it's time for us to get a pet carrier cover thing for the back seat. I'm sure you've seen Fiona, our dog, in our videos before, and she loves her car rides. We love her, and she sees us getting ready to go, and she'll get happy and bouncy, and she just loves going for rides in the car. But sometimes it's not best to have her up front on our lap, and she's small enough it's okay, but bigger dogs, definitely not. This is a pet cover that was sent to us by a company called Topabyte. If you are interested in picking up a pet cover like this, by the end of the video, the link will be down in the description, and you can enter my promo code SPINNER to receive a 20% off discount. First thing I'm going to do is open up the packaging, see what's in here. We're going to talk about it a little bit, do an installation, and then we'll see how Fiona likes it. So, it comes in a carry bag, so when it's stored, this can just be very neatly and tidily put away. That's cool. I wasn't expecting a carry bag. We'll unzip it, take a look at the parts that are inside. This pet cover is in 3 pieces. You've got the large piece here. This is for the seat back, and it's the major part of the pet cover. And then underneath it here, you've got 2 additional pieces, and these are for the interior door sills. I'm going to go through some information provided by Topabyte. According to them, this is engineered to fit in all Model S, Model Y, and Model 3 Teslas, and it is designed to, it is a high quality material that's designed to not leave any kind of odor in your car. This pet cushion is made from a breathable quilted fleece material, and this is for the comfort of the dog or the cat or whatever goes in it. The main piece of this pet cover is a hammock-style liner that is double water resistant, that is meant to protect the car from anything that might come out of the dog, urine, saliva, fur, anything else like that. The door protectors are there for the purpose of keeping your door panels free of scratches from the claws. Topabyte says that this is easy to clean. It can just be wiped with a damp cloth or a vacuum, and it can be converted as either a bench or a hammock design and can switch back and forth between them, and it fits the rear seats of the Model 3 and the Y, or the center row seats of the Y if you have that 7 seat configuration. Now we're going to go ahead and install it. You can tell which side is the front or the back. The back, if you can see these beads here, this is an anti-slip material that is meant so it doesn't slide around on the seat. The nice comfy fleece stuff, that's what goes up next to Doggo. It also has a net right here in the middle. That should tell you that this is the front of the cover. It's going to use these straps to go around the headrests in both the front and the rear seat, and it has these buckle hooks that we're going to tuck in between the seat pads and the back of the rear seat backs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the seat cover out. Hi Fiona, we're getting your bed ready. You looking forward to it? Cool. All right, so I'm going to scoot it over here and kind of straighten it out. And I'm going to take these buckles. There are, it looks like 1, 2, I see 3 of them. So we're going to go ahead and tuck this in. Right like so. Tuck this in here, and we're gonna, I missed one, tuck this one in here. We're gonna lift up the back, put it over the rear seat headrest, and then do the same thing with the front. You can use this buckle here to make adjustments to how it hangs on the driver's headrests. Now, I haven't had one of these in here before, and I didn't know this at the time, but with the anti-skid, anti-slip material on the back, a human should not lean on them while you're putting the straps in. I did that, and I broke the strap for both the right front loop and the right rear loop. So be aware of that. Don't sit on it while you're installing it. Next, we're going to put the pads on the interior of the door panels. They've got clips that are just going to tuck in right here by where the window rolls down. It makes a difference which one goes where. The quilted side should be the one facing the pet. So this one is the right rear, the other one is the opposite. It'll go on the left. It's obvious to tell. I'll line it up, tuck that in. It's really easy. This side's done. And both sides are done. There we are.
Good girl.
Do you like it? One of my favorite things is it gives us this net right here so she can still see us, and right on the other side, there's her air conditioning vent. So if she's warm, it's already scratching on the blanket. That's one of those fun things. Since it's waterproof, we're gonna go ahead and let her have a little bit of water back there, not overfull.
Oops, I spilled it.
Well, it should be waterproof, so we're fine. Now, the ultimate verdict is going to belong to Fiona. So what we're going to do is, if you've seen our the videos when we've reviewed some wheel covers, we're going to take our little 38-mile loop from here to Glenrose, go on a little 38-mile drive, and see how Fiona likes it back there on the pet cover. So, Fiona, what is your review of this pet pad? You cut some fur, your water bowl moved everywhere. Doesn't look like the seat's wet. Let's double check that on the other side. While we were doing that drive, her water bowl sloshed, and there is some water here on the pad, but nothing got through the pad onto the seat. So it kept any liquid away from the seat. So our final thoughts on this pet cover that was sent to us from Topabyte. Rachel, what did you notice while you were sitting in the passenger seat?
Fiona didn't mind it. She likes to sit on our lap. So at first, when she was back there, she kind of tried to come through the netting and get back into the front seat. But once she realized that we wanted her to stay back there, she was perfectly content. She curled up and slept for most of the trip.
She seemed quite comfortable and quite content back there. Her water spilled a little bit, but it didn't leak through the pad onto the seat. Just wiped right off.
I wouldn't recommend leaving an open bowl of water on the seat pad. We just forgot that we had done that.
No, I intended to do that. I wanted to try it out.
Oh, okay.
And see if you could, and that way if it was there, she could just have a drink. But you know, the road has bumps. The strap's breaking.
Don't sit on it.
Don't sit on it. Don't kneel on it. But I would also caution you if you have a heavy dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. That might be something to look into. Now, anything like that can happen with anything. The question is going to be how they take care of it.
Right.
So that is the pet cover from Topabyte. The link is down in the description. You can get a 20% discount off of it or anything on their website with the promo code SPINNER if you enter that. We'll have some more of our regular content coming up on Saturdays. Please subscribe for that content as it comes out. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.
Say bye.
Woof.